Welcome to the channel, guys. If you enjoy our content, please hit that like and subscribe button. So, welcome to the village of Eglise, which sits 430 metres above sea level. The village is located on the southern French coast between Nice and Monaco. Now you can either get here by bus or by train. The bus journey will take you about 40 to 45 minutes from Nice. The train journey is approximately 25 minutes. However, the train station is at the foot of the hill, and Eglise village is 430 metres up the hill. So there are 2 or 3 options. You can get a bus to Eglise village, you can get a taxi to Eglise village, or you could take the niche path. Now the niche path is a hike that will take an experienced hiker approximately 60 minutes to get to the top, so we need to consider this. In 1388 Eglise was ruled by the Italian royal family. However, a few years later it was taken over by the French, and during the medieval era the village was destroyed and rebuilt.
The higher you climb, the more beautiful the panorama becomes whilst looking over the Mediterranean Sea. Above the village lies the Botanical Gardens, which were created after World War II in the ruins of the castle. Along the winding pathways, you will discover exotic sculptures and many different species of cacti and succulents from all over the world. Be sure to stop and marvel at the breathtaking views. We will now let you enjoy some of the beauty we managed to capture on film.
remember, don't wear your flip-flops if you're going to visit this place. There's Lisa taking her 55th picture of a cactus. Right, we're going to head down. If you like cactuses, yeah. Where's the word? Cacti.
Unusual species.
It's worth coming up. Yeah, we mentioned it about our feet. Yeah. What, no flip-flops? Walking around these winding roads is a throwback to medieval times, and the only thing that brings you back to the present are the numerous shops and handcraft boutiques, which have replaced stables and ancient wine bars. Ensure you venture into one or two of the art stores, which are very creative to say the least. This brings us toward the end of our tour, and I would say you need to spend 2 to 3 hours to explore this village and capture its essence. The Chateau de la Chèvre d'Or was originally a restaurant, and the name translates into the Golden Goat. Now Walt Disney was mesmerised by this place, and he suggested it be turned into a hotel, which is what it became. And now this is one of the places where the celebrities stay.
If you have enjoyed our video, then please like and subscribe to our channel.